Hello friends, my name is Sujata Satalkar. Today's date is 13 March 2022 and today's Viva topic is a singleton class in Java. And in object programming language, we often do the need to the create a class that can be the instated only one at the time. And we can to create the object of a singleton class and more than once if a try to the create an object of a singleton class and offer the first time it is a new reference variable. We also point to the first instance create and first instance created and second one is a uh, all the reference variable of the singleton class and refer to the same data sets and where the point of the similarly object and to create the singleton class in Java and define the constructor of a private and the create the static method and return an object of the class and we will be use the lazy and initialization technical and equivalent to the object to the create only once. And in general, we use the constructor to create the instance of a class. And on the other hand, and we will use to the use the method in a get instance of a class. And to create the singleton class is a class. The implement is the following properties and create the constructor. The class is a retract object and creation outside the class and create the private attribute the class type in the single object and create the public static that we all the use us create and the access the object we create and inside the method we will create the condition that is the restricts use us from creating more than one object using a singleton class and that's why working singleton can use to the while working is a database. They can be used to the created creation pool access and database same condition and purpose of the singleton class the terminary purpose of the singleton class and restrict the limited of the number and object the creation only one number and this often to the ensure that is the access control resources. For example, database connection and the memory space extent does not occur to the use and a singleton class because it's a restricted and the instance creation as well as the object creation we take the one was instead the creating time in new and we use the singleton object and repeatedly as per this the requirement. That's all about today's topic. Thank you.